Welcome, friends. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so glad that you're here. Today I'm going to be working on week 11 of my Project Life album. I already have my pictures printed already, and I'm going to go ahead and put them where I think that I'm going to want them. Sometimes I do change my mind and I do move them around a little. For this week's layout, I wanted to challenge myself, and I did have this. It's called the Everyday Mambi Kit by Me and My Big Ideas, and it was just a little kit that I had. It was like it had 12 by 12 papers. It had 63 stickers, 5 soft-spoken pieces, and 12 chipboard pieces. And I really wanted to not have to worry about what to use for these papers, and so I figured I was going to do my own cards like I usually do and not have to worry about what embellishes will go with these papers. So it was super easy, and I just went ahead and picked a couple of papers from the stack of papers that it came with. The only bad thing is that the paper was a little thin for my liking, but I made it work. I just had to back some of those papers with the previous cards so that they would be easier to slip into the pockets. So here I'm using this pink striped sheet that says "Life is lovely," I believe. I don't have it in front of me, but I believe that's what it says. And then I do pick out this pretty floral. It just feels like spring, and I believe that it was the first day of spring was during this week as well. So I thought it was suitable. I just felt like that green just was screaming March. St. Patrick's Day, since that was celebrated that week as well. I just love the pretty bright colors in this. And so a lot of these pages were for 12 by 12 layouts, but I just went ahead and just cut out what I wanted from these sheets and made them cards. So that one "Life is Lovely" that was at the bottom, and I just centered that so that it would look good as a 4 by 6. This one was an exclamation mark, but I like what it says. It says, "Do what makes your soul shine." And so I do end up using some of the stickers on the sticker sheet, the washi looking tape that comes on that sheet, and then I just make it my own. And this stripy one, I love the colors on the stripes, but I wanted to tie in a little bit more of the blue and the green and the yellow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and embellish a couple of these cards with these stickers. So it was kind of nice not having to worry about what to use for embellishments. I mean, I think that's the thing that I struggle the most with, is trying to find the perfect things to embellish. So, so yeah, I like that these come with these pretty floral stickers, and I start with that one because that's always the super easiest one. I do have these cards in my description if you'd like to download your own set. They're free to you, and hopefully you will download them and use them in your projects. And then I have these chipboard stickers, and I do decide to use one of these that say I love this, or is it love this? I think it just says love this. It's kind of hard to see. And then I put it on the one with the Slurpees. We took the kids out on a Friday and took the boys to go get some Slurpees, and so they were happy with that. And then here's a picture of my son, and I believe this one says "Loving Life." And for St. Patrick's Day, I bought my boys some green candy, rainbow candy, and I took my son out for a shamrock shake, and he was super happy. It made my boys' day. And this other picture here was a picture of my daughter. Her cheer squad had photo shoots at one of the lakes here, and so I had a perfect sticker that came with that. Says "Life is better with friends." And I just jump around here and there. I believe I do go for, oh yeah, the top part, "Life is lovely." It had some cute bows, and I thought, oh, you know, this is super cute. I think there's only 2 things that I reached out for, other than what came with the kit, were these little jemmies, flat jemmies, and they came in these beautiful rainbow colors, and I thought they would look cute in the center. And then I believe I go to the picture where we're riding bikes, and I like that picture. And I just move along to the next card. I don't know, for some reason when I'm having a hard time embellishing, I just jump to another picture just because I feel like I'm not um, feeling it. And so I just, give myself another chance to work on something else. So I'm inspired for some reason. I get stuck on sometimes on embellishing. So this is a picture of my husband's friend has chickens, and he gifted us some eggs, and I just put perfection on there because look at how pretty those eggs are. All the different shades of brown, beige, and blue eggs. I've been begging my husband that I want chickens, but I don't know if I'm ready for all the work, but I definitely do want chickens. We'll be starting planting the garden pretty soon. We have our garden beds ready to plant, and so I'm ready to plant all the veggies. So that will be coming up soon. So then I move over to this other card, and I just use that washi on the top to cover the top of the exclamation mark and added some glasses to it. I thought it gave it a good cover up. And then I do reach out for some enamel dots, and I do use those. Those are from the Paper Studio. I believe I picked those up from Hobby Lobby and put those there. And I feel like it gave it the perfect touch. And then on the bottom pictures are pictures of my husband. My husband is in the military, and that week he was gone for gun range detail. And so they had to shoot and qualify, and so every year I have the same picture around the same time of the month. So, and then he always takes the same selfie with his friend T. So I had to put that in there. It's always in the books. What else? I jump over to this one, and I like this one that says love this, and I just trimmed it so it fits in the pocket. And then I decide to use a chipboard sticker. I know I wanted to use a chipboard sticker, so I jump around a lot, but it's just, you just do it however is best for you. I thought I wanted to use this sticker that says documented, but I felt like it would cover too much of the picture. So then I used this one that says this is the good stuff, and I thought it was perfect. And then this one's done. And then I move over. I did end up using, typing up some journaling, and I trimmed that and put that here to break up the pictures a little bit. And I went ahead and did a week in review, talking about all the things that happened throughout the week. It was a busy, exhausting week because I had to use 2 sheets for this one to put in all the pictures that I wanted. And then I decided to put in a picture of my socks for St. Patrick's Day. I'm not so big on St. Patrick's Day, but I just wanted to make my son happy. He was just like, Mom, you don't have to be Irish to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So that's why I decided to take him to go get a shake, and bought the boys some candy, and I showed him, okay, I'm in the spirit. See, look, I put on my shamrock socks. And then I called that good. This one I just cut out a small picture. And then I do end up using, if you are a planner, there's these great planner sticker books from the Happy Planner, and I remember that they have the holidays, and I just love that this one says St. Patrick's Day, and I decided to use that. So besides those 3 things, all I used was what came in the kit. I tried really hard just to use what was in the kit, but sometimes you just need a little something for finishing touches. And then I believe that that's it, guys. Oh, I did end up putting one happy day. And then that's it, guys. I call this good. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video and you want to see more, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you watching, and thank you for following along. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.